Hey, join me while I ink a tea towel. I've got my reusable transfer, my tea towel, my black Chalkology ink, and my inking mat. I'm placing the tea towel on the inking mat. It's adhesive, so the tea towel is going to stick to it and keep it nice and tight while I'm doing the inking. So I just make sure that I'm lining the tea towel up in the area that I'm going to ink on, and then the inking mat's going to protect the surface underneath my tea towel too, just in case any ink leaks through the cotton tea towel. This is going to be super fast and easy. Using my transfer, I'm going to peel off the backing and then place my transfer where I want the design to go on my tea towel. I'll grab my squeegee and it's time to get inking. This is so easy. I'm just holding the transfer in place. This one's lost some of its stickiness because I've used it more than 12 times. And I'm just spreading the ink all over the silk screen area. Oops, I got some ink where I did not want it. I keep forgetting to wipe my hands because I'm likely to get ink or chalk on my fingers every time I'm crafting. Baby wipes to the rescue. Thankfully, I'm able to get this out quite easily with a little bit of elbow grease. Okay, back to the fun part. Time for the peel and reveal. Now I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours and then heat set it with my iron and it'll be ready to use.